this on because somebody was asking me about it. Hold on, let me pick it up a little bit. You got to rotate it. Rotate the pin. No, rotate the shaft. Lift that up and down a little bit. It's cruising in there. Where's my axle? Watch yourself. So for all of you out there who are wondering, I've had a couple of questions about how long it takes to get that front piece off. If it's by myself, it takes a couple of minutes. With a helper like Bradley, it took like 30 seconds. I literally loaded the forks, drove it out to the front of this yard, which isn't huge, but it's, you know, a normal backyard. Around to the front, unloaded it, got the forks off, and got back here and started grinding in less than 6 minutes total. So yeah, it's super efficient for what it is. It's not going to be a mini skid, that's for sure, but it's definitely super efficient for what it is. So yeah, I'm not saying you should get one, but it definitely makes some sense, especially for me since I already owned it. And it's not a great stump grinder. I'm not promoting this stump grinder because it's very slow, but at stump grinding, and it moves kind of slow as well, but it's definitely worth the money for me now that it has other features. I'm also putting a snowplow on it, and I'm also putting a large ATV rake on the front or the attachment snowplow and ATV rake that can go on the front of it as well. So it'll be even more handy here soon.